Departure FedEx 1061 Heavy, passing 2.8 for 5,000.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, Greensboro departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 12,000.
Climb 12,000, FedEx 1061 Heavy.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, clear direct Wayne.
And Tower, FedEx 10, departure FedEx 1061 Heavy, 3,700, declared an emergency.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, roger, and what's the nature of the emergency?
We'll just need straight ahead runway heading. We're going to climb to, we take 5,000, please.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, maintain present heading and 5,000 feet. Advise when you need assistance.
Wilco.
And departure FedEx 1061 Heavy, emergency.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, go ahead.
Yeah, we had an engine failure. We need to get vectors back for, I guess, runway 5 left would be the best, don't you think?
FedEx 1061 Heavy, affirmative. You're cleared to the Greensboro Airport to be fly heading 140, vector to ILS, runway 5 left, final approach course.
Heading 140 for vectors for runway 5 left. And FedEx 1061 Heavy, emergency request. Alternate missed approach if we need it. Runway heading up to 5,000 feet.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, you can expect that.
Thank you.
Sorry, FedEx.
1061 Heavy, emergency. Say the weather for runway 5 left.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, the weather at Greensboro is currently showing ceiling 600 broken, 1,400 overcast, visibility 2.5 miles, rain, mist, temperature 15, 2.14, altimeter 2978.
2978, copy all. Thank you, FedEx 1061 Heavy. FedEx 1061 Heavy, looks like we're going to need a little, can you have us go out to the east in the background? Approach FedEx 1061 Heavy.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, say again?
We're going to need a couple more minutes, it looks like. Would you have us continue on this heading and then get a right turn back to Jevon?
FedEx 1061 Heavy, maintain present heading in 5,000.
Heading 5,000, FedEx 1061 Heavy.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, one able, say persons on board and fuel available.
2 souls on board, 2 hours of fuel on board, FedEx 1061 Heavy. FedEx 1061 Heavy, emergency request 3,000.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, descend and maintain 3,000.
Down to 3,000, FedEx 1061 Heavy, emergency. FedEx 1061 Heavy, emergency, we're right, 70 to come back.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, turn right, direct Jevon.
Right turn, direct Jevon, FedEx 1061 Heavy, emergency.
And Smoky 6, the aircraft is about 15 miles out right now, just turning inbound. They'll be here in about probably 4 or 5 minutes.
Right, can you give us a rundown on what's going on with it?
Smoky 6, the aircraft has a engine failure, so they're coming in on one engine.
Roger that. So, fuel.
And Smoky 6, 2 people on board and 2 hours of fuel.
Right.
On heavy emergency request clearance for the approach.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, 2 miles from Jevon, cross Jevon at 3,000, cleared ILS, runway 5 left approach.
3,000 till Jevon, clear the ILS, runway 5 left, FedEx 1061 Heavy, emergency.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, runway 5 left, cleared to land, wind 110 at 7.
Clear to land, 5 left, FedEx 1061 Heavy, emergency.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, you can plan as much runway as you need on your rollout.
Thank you.
Ground, this is our aircraft on Pablo.
Book 6, affirmative.
Mission to follow, Smoky 6.
Book 6, approved as requested.
Roger.
Okay, FedEx 1061 Heavy will be looking for an inspection on the right side. That's the right engine once we come to a complete stop.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, thank you. Smoky 6, the FedEx 1061 Heavy, roger. Smoky 6, the aircraft's asking for an inspection on the right side, right engine.
And we will require a tow back to the field for FedEx 1061.
1061 Heavy, thank you.
And we'll also be stopping here on the runway.
FedEx 1061 Heavy, approved as requested. Smoky 6, are you in touch with airport communications? The aircraft's requesting a tow back.
You said he's wanting a tow back?
He will need a tow back to the ramp. FedEx 1061 Heavy, if go ahead and, when able, switch to the tower frequency 119.1, and you'll be able to contact hear any of the airport vehicles.
Thank you.
Smoky 6, are you up on tower frequency? The Smokies.
1061's up 19.1.
Thank you.
Smoky 6 on tower.
Smoky 6, thank you.
Smoky 6 to tower.
Smoky 6, go ahead.
Yeah, number 2 looks good.
Smoky 6, thank you. FedEx 1061 Heavy, the fire vehicles report right engine looks fine.
Thank you.